Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, Ferrari. Today we got a Laferrari. We got this. We got this nice Laferrari. So yeah, we're gonna make a video of it, and we're gonna unbox it, and we're gonna take off these screwdrivers first. But yeah, I think we should take it off first. But no, wait. Let's see this. Oh, it stopped. But yeah, that's a cool thing. So you just have to press here, and it's gonna make noise. So we need to open it. So let's open this thing up. Let's open it up. Okay, kids, don't use this at home. Okay, as parents. Okay. So we're gonna open it. There we go. And my Godzilla looks weird today. Are they looking at my Ferrari? Or that? My donut. Yeah, that's right. A donut. Hey guys, we're doing a donut review. It's a donut, it's got bread and sprinkles. Okay, it's just called a vanilla dip and a sprinkles probably. So there we go. No! Okay, I'll just let him stay like that. It's okay. But yeah, whatever. So now we finally got that open. Let's look at the Ferrari. Let's move that over there. Here we got the Ferrari. We got the nice Laferrari. So beautiful. Here we got the wheels. And we got the face of the car. It's a nice red color. Got 4 mufflers. You can see the engine in the back. You can open the doors, and they're like wings. Ooh. Yay, you can open the car door. Take a look inside the car. Keep on. Yeah, it's inside. Hey guys. You know what's gonna, hey guys, look. Tiny Ferrari. It's a little tiny Ferrari. So cool. Ferrari riding a Ferrari. A Ferrari is riding another Ferrari. We got it's a Ferrari on a Ferrari. Nice. But you know what's the only difference? This one can't make noise. Yeah. But yeah, here we got the bottom. We got all the engine parts and the speaker and the battery thing. I think that's a battery. And then here we got the logo on the front of the car. And it says TY Models on the back. Maybe that's a company name. Ooh, who knows? So yeah, we also got these little things here on the back of the car. It's very nice. The car looks mad. You guys, look, the car is mad at me. He's so mad. And we got the nice windshield. I gotta look inside. I can see a steering wheel and a steering wheel. Just kidding. But yeah, this car has brakes. See? This car actually has brakes on the wheels. It even has brakes on the back of the car. That's so cool. And Godzilla still consume. He's got some sprinkles on him. Oh no. The car's making noise! I guess we gotta wait it out. There. Hey, look, it's a donut. He's a donut. He's a donut. Hey guys, introducing Donut Godzilla. He's a donut. It's a donut. He looks so happy. So yeah, we got the Ferrari. But you know what's the only difference? This is a new Ferrari. This is a Laferrari. This is an old Ferrari. That's the only difference. Is there no number 12? No number 12. Because this is an old racing car. That's why. Old Ferrari. Yeah. So, yeah, guys. Still got a little bit of sprinkles. Still got a little bit of sprinkles on my table, but who cares? But yeah, guys. That's all I gotta say for my Ferrari unboxing. So, yeah. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. And also turn on the notification bell so you can never miss a video. Or if this Godzilla will come to your house and eat all your donuts. Okay? You come to your house and eat every single donut you have. And all your cookies. So yeah, guys. We enjoyed the video. And I hope you guys are happy with the video. But I have a gaming channel because I want you guys to subscribe and like to my gaming channel so you can help my channel out. So, bye. Give me that. I said bye. Bye. Huh? Not anymore. You know what? Oh.
What the heck?
Bye.